Science isn't just for textbooks. It's in the air you breathe and the water you drink. Let's dive in. Welcome to N.SCIENCE for Ethio, the channel where science becomes simple, just for you. Today we're kicking off Grade 10 Chemistry Unit 1, all about matter and atoms. So what matter? It's anything that has mass and takes up space. That's right, air, water, rocks, even you. And atoms? They're the tiny building blocks of everything. Each one has protons, neutrons, and electrons like a mini-universe in every particle. When atoms team up, they form molecules. For example, water or H2O is made of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Cool, right? Understanding this helps us unlock the secrets of nature, from how we breathe to how we cook. Quick quiz, what is matter? What are atoms made of? And can you name a molecule? Great work today. In part 2, we'll explore the periodic table and more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to N.SCIENCE for Ethio. Science is simple when we learn it together.